Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. Open your menu, then go to settings, you can see here. Then open display and touch. You can see that option is here, display and touch. Then you can see option of enhanced HDR brightness, open that. Then you can see the slider, intensity. You can simply just drag and adjust like this. Okay, then you can see the different is here. The right side image has been changed like it is increasing and decreasing, so set whatever you want. That's guys. So in this way you can easily control HDR brightness on HDR content like Netflix, YouTube and any other applications. But I think that Google must provide an HDR brightness control on YouTube application also. So this option is I will only find this option in Pixel devices, and no other device provide these options. Whenever you are watching videos in night, suddenly HDR content is coming in and the brightness will be increased too much, that irritating eyes. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.